In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Jane App Calendar 2025. If your calendar times look off after traveling, opening a new location, or hiring staff in a different region, updating the time zone in Jane is the fix. I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what each choice means, and show you how to confirm everything is correct before you get back to booking. Start by signing into your Jane account. Make sure you're using a role with the right permissions. If you're managing the clinic's schedule or locations, you'll likely have admin access. If you're a practitioner or staff member adjusting your own view, a standard login should be fine. Once you're in, open settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon or a settings link in the main navigation. This is where Jane stores account, clinic, and calendar preferences. From here, decide whether you need to change the time zone for the entire clinic or just for your personal account. Choose clinic info if you want the time zone to apply clinic-wide. This affects the calendar for everyone, plus booking pages and reminders tied to that clinic. Choose My Account if you only want your own view updated, which is helpful for practitioners who travel or work remotely. If you're unsure, clinic-level changes are typically handled by an administrator, while individual users stick to My Account. Inside the section you selected, look for the time zone option. It may appear under regional settings, location settings, or a similar heading. If you manage multiple locations, make sure you're looking at the correct clinic or location profile before changing anything. Select the correct time zone from the drop-down. It's best to pick a city-based option, like America, Toronto, or Europe, London, rather than a fixed GMT offset, because city-based zones update automatically for daylight saving changes. If your team spans multiple regions, set the clinic to the location where clients are booked and let individual users adjust their own account time zones if needed. Save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom or top of the page. Wait for the confirmation message or a brief refresh. Unsaved changes won't apply to the calendar. Now verify the calendar. Open your calendar view and check a few known appointment times to confirm they display in the correct local time. If you want extra assurance, create a quick test appointment and confirm that the start time matches what you expect in your region. That's it. You've updated the time zone in Jane, ensured it's saved, and confirmed that your calendar reflects the right local time.